Hi again! These vowel sounds are essential building blocks of spoken language, and mastering them can greatly enhance your communication skills. In this video, we will go through the pronunciation of these vowel sounds and look at examples of words that contain them. We will also explore the differences between the two sounds and give you some tips on how to improve your pronunciation. Are you ready? Then we go! Remember to watch the previous pronunciation video so you can have a wider perspective on pronunciation. Here you have the watch list. Now, on your screen you have some minimal pairs to challenge your pronunciation. Read them aloud and record yourself so you can have a comparison point at the end of the lesson. Great! Now let's work. First, the technical name. Close mid-front unrounded vowel. Close mid refers to the height of the tongue when producing this sound. Front refers to the position of the tongue in the mouth. Finally, unrounded refers to the shape of the lips when producing this sound. But here we call it E. Although the sound is very similar to the sound in Spanish, it is not the same. There are some slight differences, so pay attention. First, we go easy and simple, but keep your mirror close to you so you can correct and do it right. Step number 1. Close your mouth so we start the same. Step number 2. Drop your jaw as if you had a pencil in your mouth. The exact position is the same as the smiling E. Step number 3. In this case, we are going to imagine your tongue in two sections, the back and the front. So, the back of your tongue must be down. Before we move forward, play a bit with your tongue and feel the position. Step number 4. The front of your tongue must aim forward to your mouth so that it is positioned close to the front of your mouth, just behind your front teeth. Step number 5. Keep your lips spread and apart and unrounded. Step number 6. Produce the sound by vibrating your vocal cords and pushing air out of your mouth without using your throat or nose. Listen. Eh, eh, eh. Step number 7. Hold the sound for a few seconds and try to maintain a steady pitch and volume. You can play with this sound in volume and duration. Listen. Eh, 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 eh. Try yourself. Use different volumes and pitches. The spelling is easy at some point. Most E, for example, red, leather, set, met, leg, bet. Some words that are written with EA, for example, bread, head, sweat, dead. Some words with A, for example, any, many. Some words with AI, for example, again, said, fail, mail. Some of these words are diphthongs, and we almost reached that topic. Finally, the most mispronounced word is friend. So it is not friend, but friend. Okay, this sound is simple, but still practice. Here you have 6 sentences that focus on the sound E. Pause the video and practice slowly. Do it slowly but correctly. Now you have the sound highlighted. Try it again. Excellent, well done. Now let's move into the next sound. I don't know you, my friends, but I like this symbol too much. It is really creative, and its technical name is near open front unrounded vowel. This vowel sound is produced by positioning the tongue low and towards the front of the mouth, with the mouth open slightly wider than for the E sound. Some people call it the ash sound, and here in Certified English we call it I. Well, my students say it with more flow, but that is the idea. I. You have your mirror? Great! So let's go with step number 1. Close your mouth as usual. Step number 2. Drop your jaw. In this case, open wide. Step number 3. position your tongue low and towards the front of your mouth, so the tip of your tongue is just behind your bottom teeth. Step number 4. Keep your lips relaxed and unrounded. Step number 5. Say the sound by exhaling air through your mouth while voicing the sound. It should be a short, sharp sound. Listen. Eh, eh, eh. The key to this sound is open wide and imagine you want to produce the sound A and E at the same time. Listen again. Eh, eh, eh. Now, the spelling is really simple. Most words written with A, for example, cat, hat, back, black, thanks, hand, map, traffic. Practice is one of the many reasons why you are here. So there are 6 sentences that focus on the sound eh. Pause the video and read them slowly. Now you have the sound highlighted. Try it again. Okay, let's move on. Do you remember these minimal pairs? Well, beat them now. You know how to do it. Remember to compare your production with your recording. Now, let me read them for you. Bet, bat. Red, rat. Met, mat. Head, hat. Pen, pan. How did you do it? Does it sound similar to you? Comrades, here you have the tongue twisters for the sound E. Pause the video and read them aloud and slowly. Awesome. Now these tongue twisters are for the sound I. Excellent. And for the final practice, your Kahoot game. On the left, the code is for your group, your class or your friends. On the right is for your personal development. Play, learn, and share. It is really simple to take this practice to more people in the same situation. Don't be a sad panda. Enjoy your growth and share with others. And this is the end for this lesson. I hope you are improving as ever before. Keep up with your practice, and in case you have any doubt, just let me know. Certify English for your goals.